Hello everyone, how to hide formula bar and grid lines in Excel. So let's start. So first open your Excel and you can see this is a formula bar. To hide this formula bar, go to the View tab. In Show Group, here you can see the formula bar option. Untick this checkbox and you can see your formula bar is hide. To hide the grid lines of Excel, in Show Group, the grid lines option is available. Just untick this checkbox and here you can see your grid line also hide. And to hide the heading, the column heading A, B, C and row number 1 to 3, just go to the Show Group and here just untick the heading option. And that's it. Here you can see your formula bar, your grid lines and your heading is hide. If you want to draw, you just go to the Draw tab and you can draw here anything. Okay, so that's it. If you want to unhide, again go to the View tab and Show Group. Just click on the formula bar checkbox. Here the formula bar will show you. On grid line, just click on the grid line. Here the grid line is showing. And for heading, just click on the heading option. And here your column heading and row heading will show you. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.